If you're looking for ideas on how to improve your pronunciation and you want to make use of ChatGPT, then this is the video for you. I'm going to show you some really clever tricks that you can do with ChatGPT by just combining it with a couple of really simple tools that will help you to develop really useful pronunciation and listening material in English. And you can also practice with lots of different accents. I'll put a menu system in the video so you can jump around to different parts. We'll start by looking very quickly at a few examples with ChatGPT, and then we're going to transfer them so that we can use them as audio as well as text. Really hope you like the video, and as always, if you do, please like it. Please share it with other students and teachers. Please comment on it, and of course, join me on my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So just to show you the tool that we're going to focus on today, it's called naturalreader.com. I'm going to click on it and I'm just going to show you a little bit how it works. Now we'll just delete that text completely. You don't even need to sign in for this tool. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to write a few sentences in here in this space. Now that I've written the sentences, watch what I can do. So these are sentences of words that I know that students often have problems with, like accommodation, vase, photographer and photograph. Watch this.
We need new accommodation. The vase is rather fragile. He is a great photographer. I like the photograph.
So what we're going to do is we're going to look at how you can combine ChatGPT with Natural Reader. For example, if you want ChatGPT to write you a story, to write you some sentences, to write you a list of words with difficult pronunciation, you can write the words in yourself, but you could also get ChatGPT to do it and then paste the words into here and play the button. But also the other thing is that this technology, Natural Reader, can do a lot of other things, and I'm going to show you in this video lots of the tricks that you can do with Natural Reader. Now, many of the things that I'm going to show you could work with other tools, not just with ChatGPT, but we'll use ChatGPT for these tools. So I'm going to jump into ChatGPT. I'm going to click on Try ChatGPT. You may need to log in if you haven't already got an account in ChatGPT. It's fairly easy to do. So I'm quickly going to get ChatGPT to write 6 sentences for me. 3 sentences using the word ship, and 3 sentences using the word sheep. Now I just need to write the instructions down here in this area. Let me quickly do that. So I've typed my instructions here. Can you write 3 sentences using the word ship and 3 sentences using the word sheep? Can you make these sentences at a very simple level in English, for example, A2 level? Let's see how it does. So I click on the button there and hopefully it's going to start to write the sentences. There they are, very simple. And we're getting 3 with sheep and 3 with ship. Now all I need to do then is just to copy those sentences. So I'm just going to select them and copy them. Very simple. And I'm going to bring them over now to a fabulous technology that will turn that into audio. I do have a popular video about using ChatGPT for language learners that you can see on the screen at the moment if you want to watch that. But what I'm going to show you now is how you can convert this into audio. So we're going to use a technology called Natural Reader. I'm going to use the free tool. I'm going to just delete that. I'm going to paste this text in, and you can see now that it's copied those sentences for me. I'm just going to delete that bit in the middle there. So we just got 3 sentences with ship and 3 sentences with sheep. And now I'm going to choose my voice and I'll start with Sonia. And now I'm going to click on play and it's going to play those sentences for me. Now I can even control the speed of the sentences. I'll start with them kind of normal sort of speed. So, okay, but we'll look at later at how we can control them. So let's see this in action first. So I click on this button here. It will just take a few seconds.
The big ship sailed across the ocean. The sailors worked hard on the ship. I saw a pirate ship in the movie. The fluffy sheep grazed in the field. The farmer counted his sheep at night. The wool from the sheep is used to make warm sweaters.
Now that's great in itself, but one thing that we can do is that we can actually do that now with a different voice if we wanted to. So let's change the voice. We're going to click here now. We're going to use Ryan. And now we're going to play the sentences again.
The big ship sailed across the ocean. The sailors worked hard on the ship. I saw a pirate ship in the movie.
So you can see now that Ryan's speaking instead of the Sonia that we had before. Now, I don't know if you notice this, but you've also got some great other things that you can do. For example, we can pause at any time. So we can be playing.
I saw a pirate ship
and just pause at any point. We've also got the sentence down here below, which is really, really useful.
I saw a pirate ship in the...
Now, if we want to repeat a sentence, we can just click here and go back.
The sailors worked hard on the ship. I saw a pirate... The sailors worked hard on the ship. The sailors worked hard on the ship.
So those are really useful controls that I've got. Just a super quick break from the video. Really hope that you like what you're seeing. Please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. Loads of content on the front page. They're all free videos. You can find out about my courses too. And if you want to sign up to the newsletter and keep up to date with all my latest blog posts, my webinars, my online courses, and of course the latest videos, then you can sign up here on the right hand side. And also I will send you, if you sign up, a free 14-part video course in using technology in teaching and learning. There are no tricks. I just send you a video every 4 or 5 days around one topic. Right, let's get back to the video. Now you even have the option to control the speed of the video. So if I click here and I wanted to say, for example, have that a little bit slower, and perhaps I'm going to change the voice again. So we'll come over here and we're going to use Libby. So we've got a different voice, and again now we're going to click on the button and play this.
The sailors worked hard on the ship. I saw a pirate ship in the movie.
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 I saw a pirate...
Now you can see how I can use this play button and stop button to keep repeating the sentence as well. If I kind of pause right at the end and play it again, it will play the same sentence. So we've got loads of different ways that we can really, listen and then copy the pronunciation, choosing different voices and different speeds. I'm going to show you some more examples now using ChatGPT, but there is another great technology that we can use for pronunciation practice, and it's called WordWall. And if you want to learn about WordWall, and it can do lots of different games and activities for learning English, there's a link on the screen now that you can watch and take you through that technology. So let's imagine then that we wanted to practice, say, the pronunciation of the past simple in English. What we could do is ask ChatGPT to write us a story in the past, and then we can paste that story into Natural Reader and listen to the pronunciation. All sorts of things can be done in ChatGPT and then immediately transferred so that we can actually listen to them. So I've written my sentence here. Write me a story in the past tense in English with lots of examples of the past irregular verbs with the ending ed, with the ed ending, sorry. Can you make the story about 200 words long and at level A1 in English? So let's click on the button here. Hopefully it's going to produce the story for me. Now what I can do is just simply copy that story. So I'm selecting the whole story. I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to come over to the Natural Reader. I'm going to close that window down now. Paste in the new text. Again, I've not even logged in. Let's choose another voice. So we'll use Bella. And then again, we'll keep the speed back to kind of normal sort of speed. So we'll put it back to about 1. That will do fine. And let's just now click on this button and listen to that story.
They walked through the forest and saw many animals. They watched a bird fly high above their heads and listened to the sound of the leaves rustling in the wind. As they continued walking, they found a river with a bridge across it. They crossed the bridge carefully and continued on their journey. Suddenly, they saw a beautiful waterfall.
So this is a great example because we've got the kind of t ending and the d ending here. So it's really nice examples of lots of. So this is a great example because we've got all of the different pronunciations that we get with the ending of the ed verbs depending on the sound before. And this is a really powerful way. And again, of course, what we could do is play and repeat, etc. So this is both listening and pronunciation practice. Okay, really hope you liked that video. As I said before, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. Loads and loads more free content. There's my blog at the bottom of the screen as well. If you want to sign up to the newsletter, you can do that here on the right hand side. Remember that there's that 14-part free video course in using technology in teaching and learning. You can find out about all my courses on the front here, and you can contact me if you wanted me to do some training with your organization or even with you as an individual. Thank you very much. I'm going to leave some more videos on the screen now about other aspects of AI and ChatGPT.